I'm Elizabeth Caudy, author of Creative Schizophrenia on HealthyPlace. In this week's article, I wrote about how I am very sensitive to fireworks to the point where I can't go and look at fireworks because they're just too loud and it triggers my schizoaffective anxiety. So, I wrote that I'm a lot like a cat because cats and dogs are very sensitive and they have very acute hearing. And I went with a cat because I'm more of a cat person. But I have very acute hearing as well for things other than fireworks. Um, I think I wrote another article in the past about how I bring headphones to restaurants to drown out the noise of the chatter around me if it gets to be too much. And I just, in general, have very acute hearing. And the headphones, by the way, are just wonderful for that. So I also wrote about how I used to enjoy fireworks. I wrote about a time when my family and I were at, years ago when I was 14, we're at the Magic Kingdom in Disney World, and I really enjoyed the fireworks, especially because Alice from Alice in Wonderland waved at me. And I love Alice in Wonderland to the point where I have an Alice in Wonderland themed Pandora bracelet. So I used to enjoy fireworks, but now I don't anymore. I find them very triggering for my schizoaffective anxiety. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.